This next one's called the Absolutely Fabulous Martini. As you might have guessed, we're going to be using Absolute vodkas for this. We're going to start off, put our mixing glass ice in there. Then we use two different kinds of Absolute. Absolute Courant and also Absolute Citron. We're going to want to do 1.5 ounces of each, so that'll be a 6-count pour of each. Then we'll use some Citron next, 6 count of this. And this one's pretty simple. It's just the 2 vodkas, but we want to shake them up real nice and get them cold before we put them in the glass. And we'll set up our martini glass. Take the strainer. It should be nice and cloudy from the cold and the shaking. And the last thing we're going to do with this is add a twist to it, drop it in, serve and enjoy.